Welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how I can get rid of the flat tire indicator of a Mercedes A Class 2019. I had a flat tire, I had it repaired, but this indicator shows up, still shows up after driving when driving the car. And in this tutorial I'm going to show you how I can get rid of that. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, it's Service Reset My Car. Have a look at the channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks. Use the commentary if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start. We're going to enter the menu over here and we're going to use the menu button or the back button to enter the menu. Then scroll all the way to the right to Service. Once you're there, press this button to enter it. And as you can see, the second menu from top is tires. Scroll down, press the black button over here. Tire pressure will be displayed after a few minutes of driving, it says. Scroll this down, then as you can see, use current pressures as new reference values. We need that. Once you're there, press this button to OK, and that must have reset the indicator. Do the check by starting the car, and as you can see, the indicator for the flat tire is gone now. That was it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and thanks for watching, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.